How's it going, everyone? Michael here with 15 Cent Pressure Washing. Right now we are in Columbia, Tennessee, and we are going to do some roof washing. Alright? Now this roof is covered in black streaks. For those of you that don't know what the black streaks are, it's a type of mold called magma. Now this type of mold does eat at the limestone that's naturally in the shingles and can deduct the roof's lifespan. So what we're going to do is we're going to treat the roof. We're going to kill all the mold, all the magma, and once we apply this treatment, we're not going to rinse it off. With rinsing, you can release a lot of the asphalt that's on the roof, so it's important that we don't rinse the roof off. When it rains, it's going to start washing this solution away. So I'm going to give you guys an eye on the roof and see what it looks like now, and then we're going to get into cleaning. Alright, so now I've treated this area here. We're going to let it dwell for about 15 to 30 minutes and we'll come back and show you guys how it looks. Alright y'all, we are done washing the roof. It looks amazing. Now it is still wet, as you can see, so you're going to get a little bit of a gleam on it. We can't help that, it's the way that the sun's facing on the roof. So we went ahead and treated the roof. We kept all the bushes, plants, and windows soaked and wet during this process. I'm going to show y'all what it looks like after we finished cleaning. Let's check it out. No more black streaks. Now in some areas there will be brown spots, and with these brown spots that means that the magma, the mold, is dead, and when it rains it will start to wash all that away. As you can see, this roof looks brand new again. Let's go check out the front roof. Now once it rains and starts to wash all the dirt and stuff, the dead mold that's still remaining on the roof that we can't really see right now, it'll start to brighten up just like the front of the roof. You see, this is what the front of the roof looks like. See how red that is? Yeah. And that's what the back of the roof's gonna look like after a rain or two. So that's how we wash roofs. I hope this video has helped you understand a little bit more on how we wash roofs. Shingle roofs, metal roofs, no roofs at all should ever be pressure washed. If you pressure wash any type of roof, you're going to void the manufacturer's warranty, if there is one. You're going to deduct years and years and years out of the roof's life. And believe it or not, there are people out here that will pressure wash your roof. So it's very important to know that these roofs should not ever be pressure washed. And it's another reason why it's important to hire a professional to have your roof clean. He's over here. As Brent over there, he's cleaning the little retainer walls within the entrance. We've already treated that, getting it cleaned up. I want to thank y'all for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. If you're interested in any of our services, roof cleaning, house washing, driveway cleaning, driveway sealing, deck cleaning, deck sealing, many other services, give us a shout. You can give me a call directly, 931-446-1031, or you can go to our website, fill out one of our contact forms. Our website's 15centpressurewashing.com, and within that form we get back to people fairly quickly. It's one of our recommended ways of getting in touch with us. You can leave a Facebook message, hit us up on YouTube, however you'd like. Until next time, y'all stay safe and have a blessed day.